Samsung's next budget killers are coming, and their leaked specs are already shaking up the mid-range market. Key specs of Samsung's Galaxy A57 and A37 have leaked early. Samsung is preparing to unveil two premium Galaxy A series phones next year. These models, the A57 and A37, are expected to arrive in March 2026, but their major specifications have surfaced ahead of launch. Tipster Gadgets data has shared the confirmed hardware details for the Galaxy A37 and A57. Both smartphones appear nearly identical in many areas, with a real gap showing in raw performance, positioning the A57 as a true flagship-level option. The Galaxy A57 is rumored to ship with Samsung's new Exynos 1680 processor paired with up to 12 GB RAM. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A37 may rely on the Exynos 1480 chip along with 8 GB RAM, which should handle day-to-day tasks comfortably. Shared features are expected too, including a 6.7-inch OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung might use metal frames for durability, while the rear could be glass to give both phones a more premium finish. Both the Galaxy A57 and A37 may also support an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Based on their projected release window, they'll likely arrive with Android 16-based One UI 8 or possibly the upgraded One UI 8.5. Samsung recently increased security updates to 7 years for the Galaxy A36 and A56. Their 2026 successors should continue this policy, and the company may even push OS updates to 7 years as well. Similar to its flagship lineup, there probably won't be major upgrades in camera, battery, or charging speeds. The leak suggests a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel front camera, a 5000 mAh battery, and support for 45-watt fast charging. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.